Today I will tell you how to create a web API by using model first approach. So first of all, select file, create a new project, select web and ASP.NET web application. Name that file, create is OK. Select MVC because we have to work in the framework of model work view controller, and web API which we require to bind JSON with our XAMARIN.FORMS application and make it OK. As we know that we have created a project in it, so first of all we will go to Solution Explorer and add a model. In model we will create a class by doing a right click on add button and add a class. We have selected a class, name this class as student, add this class. The next thing is, now we have created a class. The next thing is we have to create it attributes. Write a keyword name as prop and double tap on it. We have created a property and make it a name as ID. Name, email, contact number. As we have written 4 attributes, we have created a class also. So what will be the next step? We have to add a controller, but before adding a controller we have to build a class. Select build and build solution. If we do not build a solution, we can't add a controller. Okay, we have successfully built, created. Go to Solution Explorer, add a controller. Go to add controller. We have to create a controller with views using entity framework. That means created a database who can create a functions like create, read, update, delete and list entities from entity framework data context. So we will add it. What was our model class? Our model class was student. Okay, now we have to create a data context class that will be our database. We'll go to add and before context we will change the name like DB and add to it to our project and add the controller. It will create few seconds and make our controller. As it is seen that we have created our controller successfully. There are different calls like get, like simple call of get that we will show all the student list. We will show the list of student number 5. We can create a student. So we will copy this and start our project in. You can select any browser from IAS Express. Okay. We have seen a blank window with an error. So, because we haven't created any front end, so we will add a call of create, and it will be open a console. So first of all, we have to add a name, email, and a contact number. And create button. So our data has been created successfully. As we know that if you want to show the details, this is the call of the cat, in which we see that we are getting the detail of student number 1. Okay. Now close it down, and we have to create web API now. First of all, build a solution, because we have to add a new controller that will create our web API regarding to this controller. Open Solution Explorer, go to add, and add a new controller. Now we have to add a controller which will create actions, and it will generate JSON for us. And add, select the model class. We know that our model class was student, and in few seconds it has generated our API controller. Now we will get the student's data by using this call. Now we have to start the browser. And generated a call API student 1. As we see that we are getting our data in the form of XML. So we have successfully done our web API. Thank you so much.